Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to go over the aftermath of Winter Storm Gail in terms of the weather perspective and not of a mass transit perspective. But I will mention that mass transit came back online with NJT and Metro North yesterday. We are slowly trying to get travel back on the roads, which for a lot of people, Christmas is next week, and I guess there are some people still trying to take care of their holiday errands. But let's get into the meteorological perspective of Gail. So we have a radar image from the National Weather Service. This shows you the storm clearing out. And this is a great image to present that. And you can see here that this storm cleared out on Thursday, which was yesterday. So once it got to nighttime, there went the clouds, and that's where we went. So let's go into this image I want to show you, because my mouse cruiser hopefully will come up and we'll get into what we need to get into. So, highest amount, you see here, darker color, lighter up here, as you can see. So we go to parts of Pennsylvania, 30 inches, right? It's almost 2-3 feet of snow. Go over to Binghamton, same scenario. Which, wherever you went, it mattered. And we'll see in the totals as we go along here. But this was a great map from the NWS in terms of their Northeast Command Center when they made this picture. And a lot of credit goes to them. So we'll take a look at some snowfall totals from the offices in Upton, New York, Mount Holly, New Jersey, and of course, Binghamton. I'm going to show you Binghamton's. Also, I will mention in terms of major cities, Philadelphia got less, New York in the medium range. But when you look at places like Binghamton, Albany, Boston looks like they got at least 8 to 12. So did New York City in terms of that. So we'll get into that in just a second in terms of snowfall totals. So let's start with New York, the city, of course. Highest you went up, more snow you got. So it says here 18 miles apart. So I'll show you on the mouse cruiser. See this? 18 miles apart, right? 7-inch difference in snowfall. So, for an example, you see here, less in Brooklyn, more up to the Bronx, per se, and into Westchester County in the Hudson Valley. So we'll take a look at our snowfall totals from the public information statement, and you could see there's a whole bunch of difference. So we go back to our first picture. Connecticut got on average 8 to 18 inches. Almost that amount if you look at the darker orange. But the darker orange is right over there. So it looks like maybe they got that wrong over there. But parts of Danbury, Connecticut got 14 inches. But Danbury got actually 11.6, as you can see there. Further south you went in Fairfield County, less snow you got. So Bridgeport got 9.4 inches, per example. So I'm just curious to see something here in just a second. So stand by for a second. I'm just making sure I got this. Yeah, Norwalk. Is Norwalk listed on here? Because that's where my mom's friend's daughter lives. Okay, Norwalk got 6.3 inches. So I'm just going to highlight that for a second here. 6.3 inches in Norwalk, Connecticut. So, for my mom's friend's granddaughter, I'm sure she enjoyed it. She'll be 3 coming up in May, but 6 inches in Norwalk, Connecticut. So I just want to note that. Okay, anything for... Yeah, this is New Haven County. I don't want that. I want to go to New Jersey. Okay, here's Bergen. Fort Lee got 10.1 inches, but it's they don't even have Paramus on here. Ugh. You'd think they'd have Paramus, but no. Alright, close enough to where my aunt and uncle live. Here's Maplewood. 5.6 inches in Maplewood. Right there. So we go now to New York. Let's go to the Bronx. Fordham got 12.8 inches. Riverdale got 6.7 inches. Most snow was in Bay Ridge at 9.6 inches. Less snow was in south-southwest Flatbush. Here we go in Nassau County. Most snow measured was 8 inches in Syosset. Less snow was in Roosevelt. So, further south you went in Nassau County, the less you got. Let's see the official Central Park. Here we go. Central Park got 10.5 inches. There you go. Let's see if Queens is listed on here. Yeah, here we go. Wow. This correct? Jamaica got 11.8 inches. Because I knew Whitestone got 10.5. So I'm thinking most likely here in Fresh Meadows, we most likely got at least 8 inches. I'm going to put that in the ballpark figure of 8 inches. So, more north than you went in Queens, I guess Whitestone and College Point got more snow. Even Flushing, because LaGuardia got 10.1. So here's Suffolk. Most snow was in Miller Place. Less snow was in Islip. So Islip only got 3 inches. Amityville got 3 inches. Southampton 3 inches. But now here's where you go into the Hudson Valley. Mamaroneck. I know where that is. The eastern part of Westchester County. 12 inches. Mount Kisco. 12 inches. Same in New Rochelle. Same in White Plains. Rye and Armonk. 11 inches. Let's see. Is Yonkers listed on here? Okay, no. But Croton on Hudson is 10 inches over there. Hastings on Hudson's 9 inches. Because that's the western part of Westchester County. Is Rockland on here. Ooh! Perfect! My cousins in New City. Let's see how much they got. They officially got 10 inches. And yes, I do have cousins in New City. So they got 10 inches. Alright, so this is what I wanted to show you earlier, right? This is the New York map. Here is the southern New Jersey map. So, on average, South Jersey got between 5 and 6 inches. Northern parts of Newcastle County, Delaware, as you, I don't know why my mouse is not cooperating, but I'll zoom in. Yeah, you can see there. I wish I could highlight it. Okay, no I can't. If I had the Google Draw, it would help. But you could see in parts of, let's see. Can I try something else? Okay, no I can't. That will not help me. If I had the Google Draw, that would help. I don't have the Google Draw. Okay, now it should work, but I gotta change the color, so that way it will, work. So I'll do red for an example. So, here we go. Let's see if this actually works. So, ooh, okay, that's not big enough. I'll erase that. Let's see if I can make the size a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, now it should work. Let's try it again one more time. Here we go. All right, here we go. This is the parts of Delaware that got the most amount of snow. So you're looking north of 95, so that's close to the PA border. So I'm thinking Concord probably got more snow than any other part of the state. Because Concord's literally right on top of the PA borderline from what I'm seeing over there. From what I'm seeing. So let's erase that. Now, we're going to move up, and I want to show you this. See this? This is where we go into the higher snowfall amount. So, you're looking at Pocono Valley area. So I'll show you this. See? Yeah, right around here. See? That's where you get the most amount of snow in PA. As you'll see when we go along here. Because you'll be shocked to see the Binghamton map as we close out this video. So, let's go now to our... Let's see, can I get rid of this? There we go, got rid of it. Here's the Mount Holly map. And it says Smyrna got 0.8. So even they got Smyrna. Yeah, here's Wilmington. 5 inches, not surprised. Further south you go, less snow. Yeah, Newcastle only got 2 inches. Yeah, so here's Jersey. Mount Holly. Yes, Mount Holly got... They have Mount Holly on here? Or no, Mount Laurel. I thought I saw Mount Laurel earlier when I looked at this. Yeah, there we go. Mount Laurel. 5.4. Same with Cinnaminson, which is not too far from Mount Laurel. But I was looking at Camden County. Thank goodness Blackwood got measured. I know where Blackwood is. Only 2 inches. But common courtesy not to measure Cherry Hill? Really? So I'm probably thinking I'm just going to assume that best case, Cherry Hill got less snow. Alright, so let me take a look in Pennsylvania. Do they have Pennsylvania? No, I think you gotta go down. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, see, I'm not surprised that parts of Berks County got a lot of snow. So with Bucks. Actually, no, Bucks got less. Here's Chester County. Less. Okay. Here's Lehigh County. Allentown got 9 inches. So I was like, wait a minute. I knew we were going to have to pull up, But wait, where's Hazleton? Pocono Summit, 11.2 inches. So I'm not going to go into each one. But you get an idea. Bethlehem, 11 inches. So now, the moment of truth comes for Buffalo. Take a look at this. Coming up. You'll see in just a second. Odd. How much transparency is there? My goodness. Tools. No, that doesn't help me. Unless you have to zoom out. Yeah, that's why you have to zoom out. And what I'll do is I'll put this. So let's do an illustration, shall we? From here, right? Okay, not gonna help. Let's start all over again. Yeah. Let's zoom out. Get a better idea. Watch this. I would say from here all the way out to here. See the big X? No, you can't really see it. No, let's do a different color. Let's do a different color. That way it might help. Let's try a purple. I want to show you where Binghamton is on this map. Right Nah, not gonna help me. I don't know what is going on with this thing. Maybe you need more transparency. One more time. There. See that X? Most amount of snow. Right there. In fact, let's do a straight line. Yeah, I'll show you this amazing straight line. I'll show you that dark color. The dark color goes right there. See? If that's not a dark color of all that huge, heavy amount of snow, then I don't know what is. I don't know what to tell you. Because this was just one incredible storm for a specific part of upstate New York and parts of Pennsylvania even. Just amazing. So, watch what I'm going to do here. Watch what I'm going to do next. I'm going to draw another color for Binghamton. Okay? Here we go. Watch this. Here we go. Ready? This is Binghamton. Ooh. Okay, let me erase that. Make it a little bit smaller. Here we go. That's better. This is Binghamton. Watch what I'm about to do. Almost there. A little bit of a fail here. You're seeing this correctly. 42 inches in Binghamton. Just incredible. Just incredible. That's almost 3 to 4 feet of snow. Just incredible. I am just amazed to see that. Let's see if they have Pennsylvania even mentioned here, because some parts of PA are supposed to be served by, Yep. 43 inches in Alba. Lackawanna County, 20 inches. Yeah, I mean, most parts of PA got a lot of snow out of this. Here's Scranton. Wow. So Scranton Wilkes-Barre area only 11 inches. Incredible. Alright, so we're going to wrap up this video once again with the radar image of the storm clearing out. Just one big, incredible storm for parts of central PA and central New York. But for the rest of us, we escaped something catastrophic. So that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. Thank you all for watching, and until the next one, please take care.